Hello, adorables. Welcome, everyone, to my channel. Today, I am in a chilled out kind of a mood, and I'm going to show you some completions that have piled up. If I'm repeating something or if I worked on it in a whip and chat, it's still out, I'm going to show it to you. Then they all get put away. Okay, so this one is from New Craft Day. Any links and discount codes, I will put them below. Okay, so if you're one of the first people that hit this video, you might need to put it in watch later and come back for the code. Alright, so like I said, this one is New Craft Day. I love it. The bright green, the Kermit green in there, now that it's in there, I'm wishing that I had chosen a different color, but I didn't know how it was going to look, you know? And I'm thinking it's just a tad too bright. Doesn't matter. I get it. Like, you're looking at the moon, but you're looking at the light too. Like, the light is shining on it this way. So the moon shouldn't even be in the picture if it's lit up like this and shadowed like this. But it's a diamond painting. I'm just saying. It's good. It's good. It's okay. I like it. I love working on it. I love the house. I love the trees and the sky. This tree and the sky. And this is worth a close-up. Because look at this little house. How that looks like log cabin. It really looks like it. And this part was real fun over here. Because you had that separation going this way, and then you had other lines of separation going this way. I mean, I was loving that. Yeah, I like doing the tree, and I like the sky. It's just that green throws me off, but it's light. It's light. It's a diamond painting. I like it. I'd count that as a win. That's a good one. Because if I wanted to change a color, then I could. So I'm still calling it a win. Because it's fine. Okay, this one is from New Craft Day. And this was so fun to work on. I got another one from another company because I knew it would be. It just is awesome. And that's the main part of diamond painting, is to enjoy yourself. And on both of these canvases, I enjoyed myself. You know, and I think they turned out great. Not much to say. Like, I love this color blocking in here. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to move on to another company. And this one is Outdoor Tide. This is Outdoor Tide. And this is the other one that had the spirally sky. And the net that actually turned out. You could tell it looks kind of like it's a net. I loved working on this too. It's awesome. Isn't that so cool? I don't have anything else that compares to this. So once again, Outdoor Tide with 20 colors. What else is over here? Well, okay, here's one right here. Okay. Another promotional canvas that I have. Okay, so these are all three budget-friendly companies. This one is from GBFKE. And she's round, which I was surprised to get her in round. And I blinged up her eye with a few different colors. And I put ABs on these little things on her head. Is that the only thing I did? No, I think the pink ones might be ABs right there. I had some. Yeah. So I kind of tweaked it a little bit. Like up in her crown, there's a couple. So she was really nice to work on as well. I loved it. I love working on her hair and her little bathing suit. The vines, like everything had its, each color had its place to go, you know, and you just went with it. It was really fun to do. Okay. So this is, again, from GBFKE. I do believe she's still available. I had her for a good minute. It's a 40 by 50. All right. Now, let's move on to my Temu. That's a 20 by 30 of a little girl. Her eyes are actually black. You know, the things you don't think about until it's time to think about them. Kind of strange. I think she turned out all right for a 20 by 30. Okay. And then there is this bike, which I'm not so sure about this one, but okay. It was fun. Like all back here, I guess it's bushes. It's bushes. I don't have a whole lot to say about some of these. Now this one, I messed this up. Oh, I had it going good until I put in the white. When I put the white in, I think I ruined it. And there is actually a light pink in there. But I thought this and its sister canvas was coming full crystals. And that's why I got it. And so I always intended that I was going to use crystals. So here's the moon. And like there's a light pink in there. And like the white, that white wasn't supposed to be white. Everywhere it's silver was supposed to be white. And then I put the white where the off-white with the blue tint was supposed to be. Yeah, I just went batshit crazy. And in this, I don't know why I even put regular colors in here. I jacked it up. I don't know. Okay, whatever. It was going good for a while, and then it took a wrong turn. I can't do crystals on my own. I don't know when to quit. They never turn out. Well, they do sometimes. Okay. Okay, so this is from Temu. Just a crystal girl and her dog. I thought that was nice. It's got good sparkle on it. I like that. Well, I noticed there was only green right there in her arms, so I gave her another green down here. just because there was like 4 in a row. I was like, that's a lot of pink right there, so I just threw green in, because why not? Okay. Then, I believe you already seen this, or me working on it. I'm kind of mad. I'm kind of mad. I think it could have been better. Let me see. Okay, now I can see it in the screen. She kind of got a face there, but kind of not. I don't know what to say about the face other than it lost its face. Like it really lost its face in there somehow. But she was so freaking cool as an undone canvas. She was bad as fuck. Oh, sorry. Sometimes I swear freely, and sometimes it's just a mistake. That was a mistake. So, anyways, I kind of get it. Like, there's a lot of smoke back there and reflecting. Yeah, the face is gone. Okay. But then again, we've got this one from Temu. I'm pretty sure I showed you this one too, but we're just going to do it again. And that's my UFO. in the tent. And I thought this was pretty darn good. I liked it. I liked everything about it. Working on it was great. The green and yellow area felt really weird to work on those two colors in color blocking together. It just was odd. It took me to another time, that I don't even remember. It's just, I wasn't born then. I don't know. It just took me somewhere, So that's pretty cool how it looks like the underneath of a spaceship. Worked out good. I like the tent. I like the guy. Or the chick. Looks like a guy. There'd be something to indicate that if it was a woman, it would be like a ponytail or like, well, she wouldn't be holding a purse or wearing heels, but you would, I don't know, I guess it could be a chick. Just without any identifying marks, I just figure guy. But there is one little piece right there. Maybe that's her ponytail. It can be a chick. Okay. So, with that, I'm going to wrap it up. I do have a giveaway coming up. Probably tomorrow's video or the next day's video. But it's not going to be diamond painting. It's cross stitch. I'm going to do an unbagging promo, and just like the last time, anybody who's interested in that prize, you can enter below for whatever word, probably the company name. Yeah. And don't worry if you're not subscribed, because if you're not subscribed, you're not going to know if you won or not. So, I'm not big on that. I don't like it, because how can you prove it? There's this one channel that I watch. It's an arcade video, and this couple, they came straight out and said, the only way you can enter is if they can come and validate that you are subscribed. Are you freaking kidding me? You know how much I hate that shit? Because I watch their videos. Every freaking video that comes out, well, for the most part, I don't watch their lives. But anyway, yeah, it kind of ticked me off. I don't want to do that to people, because my stuff is set to private. I'm not opening it just to enter a freaking contest, So, I don't even care. But it is for subscribers. It's for viewers. Put it that way, okay? It's for viewers who would like to participate. If you're great, if you're a subscriber, that's great. You're the ones that are going to know about this stuff, because you're the ones watching the videos. I don't know how else to do things other than the way I'm doing them. It works for me. I hope it works for you. It's like, okay. So, yeah, and then my Temu order's coming in. And, well, I'm not going to talk about that at all. We'll see how that goes before I talk about it. Let it get here first. Okay. So, like I said before, all the links will be below. If I have a discount code, you will find them. It is GBFKE. One craft day. New craft day. See, I get that wrong all the time. Outdoor Tide. And then, of course, some Temus. I'll leave you a Temu link. Okay. I hope you're all having a great day. Peace out. And God bless my adorables.